All right, just spent like 20 minutes getting the line into the tree. Gonna pull my rope up now. Now it's time to do a weight test. If the branch breaks, I shouldn't climb on it. If it doesn't break, I can climb on it. Made it up to my first anchor point, and just the way I like it, there's a place that I can stand. That's not the healthiest looking branch, but it's pretty strong. And now I just need to bring my nature journal stuff up here. It's kind of stressful climbing here. I think the urban environment with like lots of people and like planes flying over, it's just a little bit less of the relaxing feel that I usually get from climbing trees. All right, time to pull up my nature journal bag. Okay, so now I need to figure out what I'm gonna nature journal up here. This looks like the same species of eucalyptus that I climbed a few days ago. You can see some of the, I think these are gonna turn into flowers. These ones, I think I'm just gonna start drawing some branches. All right, so I'm having a little bit of trouble getting comfortable. It's not a long-term position. I did find some cool leaf galls and made a little drawing of them. So the police just drove by on the road right there and didn't notice me or didn't care, so that's a good sign. All right, so I got a little drawing in with some watercolor. Not in the most comfortable position. You can see I'm just standing on this crazy branch right here up in the tree, but now is the part of the video to talk about some Patagonia supplies, and they didn't pay me or give me anything free. Well, actually they did give me one thing free, which is they repaired this bag right here, which they actually will repair anything for anyone for free if you mail it in. And